si Patrick Tulfo sa Rapido ni Tulfo. Rapido ni Tulfo.
Isa pang pinagwawala nila, quote unquote, I will not be naming names. Hindi raw dapat tawaging ugante itong si Senador Bato kasi nga he escaped from the custody of the Senate. Do you concur with that, Justice Carpio, sir?
My definition kasi ang Supreme Court, what is a fugitive from justice? Someone who evades a warrant of arrest, who goes into hiding to evade the service of warrant of arrest, is a fugitive. Yun ang definition eh. So it exactly fits Senator Bato. And
Yes,
the OSG also says he is already a fugitive from justice. Ang consequence niyan, pag fugitive from justice ka, under a recent Supreme Court ruling, you cannot ask for relief from the Supreme Court. Katulad yan, sinasabi ni Bato, I'm praying that the Supreme Court rule that a local warrant of arrest is required. Pero sasabihin niya yun, under the doctrine of fugitive disentitlement, you cannot ask for that kind of relief because you are a fugitive from justice. You must first submit yourself to the jurisdiction of the court. Hindi ka pwedeng tumakas, magtago, pero yung abogado mo humingi ng request or relief from the Supreme Court, ikaw nagtatago. Dapat yan, you submit yourself to the jurisdiction of the court. So dapat yan, magpa-aresto ka muna.
Apo.
Yun ang dilemma nila. Kasi there is this recent decision of the Supreme Court na if you are a fugitive from justice, you cannot ask anything from the Supreme Court until you present yourself to the Supreme Court, submit to the jurisdiction.
Malinaw po.